In this video, we will show you on the world map about the location of countries, their capital and their geographical locations. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information visit us at www.selfquiz.org. Country name: Afghanistan. The capital of Afghanistan is its largest city, Kabul. The next country name is Iceland. The capital of Iceland is Reykjavík. The next country name is Iran. The capital of Iran is Tehran. The next country name is Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The next country name is China. The capital of China is Beijing. The next country name is New Zealand. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The next country name is Mauritius. Port Louis, the capital city of Mauritius. The next country is Madagascar. Antananarivo is the capital and the largest city of Madagascar. The next country is Switzerland. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. The next country is United Kingdom. The capital of United Kingdom is London. The next country is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow. The next country is the United States of America, or USA. The capital of USA is Washington, D.C. The next country is Canada. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. The next country is Zimbabwe. The capital and largest city of Zimbabwe is Harare. The next country is Vietnam. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. The next country is Cuba. The capital of Cuba is Havana. The next country is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The next country is Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The next country is Singapore. The capital of Singapore is also called Singapore. The next country is Taiwan. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei City. The next country is the Republic of the Philippines. The capital of the Philippines is called Manila. The next country is Sweden. The capital of Sweden is called Stockholm. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information visit us at www.selfquiz.org. The next country is Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. The next country is Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The next country is Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. The next country is Chad. The capital of Chad is N'Djamena. The next country is Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. The next country is Papua New Guinea. The capital of Papua New Guinea is Port Moresby. The next country is South Africa. South Africa has 3 capital cities: Executive Pretoria, Judicial Bloemfontein and Legislative Cape Town. The largest city is Johannesburg. The next country is India. New Delhi, national capital of India. The next country is Indonesia. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The next country is Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. The next country is Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The next country is France. The capital of France is Paris. The next country is Angola. The capital of Angola is Luanda. The next country is Thailand. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information visit us at www.selfquiz.org. The next country is Spain. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The next country is Nicaragua. The capital of Nicaragua is Managua. The next country is Romania. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. The next country is South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. The next country is Chile. The capital of Chile is Santiago. The next country is Turkmenistan. The capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. The next country is Guatemala. The capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City. The next country is Oman. The capital of Oman is Muscat. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information visit us at www.selfquiz.org.